Hi, everyone. It is time now for Great Day Law. Each month, we do like to check in with our friend, attorney Lawyer Twilly, a.k.a. Lawyer the Lawyer.
Because his name is Lawyer. Today, we're chatting about something all pet owners should know. A viewer wrote us and said that they got a new dog, and they don't know where to start in terms of getting insurance.
Such a good idea, because, Lawyer, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
I got a new dog. I ended up having foster fail. Little Olive lives with us now. I didn't know I was supposed to do something. We're supposed to call our insurance?
Yes, call your insurance company and let them know that you have a new addition to the family, and find out what they need from you.
Just highlight the purpose of that. Why do they need to know that I have a new dog?
Insurance companies want to understand what the risks are, and whenever you have a dog, there is always the risk that a dog could cause some sort of an injury, whether it be a bite or somebody tripping over. Especially a small dog, if you have a little Chihuahua mix, especially a small dog, somebody tripping and falling over them because they didn't see them there and breaking something. So insurance carriers are all about understanding and managing risk, so they'll just want to know.
I was thinking more the aggressive dogs that bite, so that's also a concern, but it could be just a small dog. If someone trips on your dog, you might be liable in your own house?
Yes, absolutely. You're strictly liable for any injury or damages that your dog happens to be involved in.
Now, a lot of people are going to say, I'm not calling my insurance company, my rates are going to go up.
Yeah, it doesn't always happen. We have 3 dogs in our house, and our homeowners' rates did not go up, and we got 2 of them at one time. So, you think it's going to go up, it may or may not go up, but they need to know what the risk is, because you don't want something to happen and then you call them up later and say, hey, by the way, I have these dogs. And they're like, we didn't know about any dogs. We're not covering you.
So then we need to call and say what to the insurance company?
You call them up and you say, we have a new addition to the family. It's Gertrude, the puppy, and
names and all.
Gertrude the puppy. Yeah,
it's Fernice.
Fernice.
Yeah, and here are her vet records, and she's a sweetheart, and we just wanted you to know, and they'll take it from there.
Let's say I'm out there and watching this. I've had my dog for 7 years. Never called the insurance company, never had a problem. Should I now call the insurance company?
Technically, yes.
Okay,
yes,
so,
yes, you should. Again,
can you just say, I didn't know? I just watched the segment, and I had no idea I was supposed to tell you?
Yes. Yes, I was watching Scott, Karen, LT, and I learned that I should have called you.
So is it going to be, you said sometimes it's not a cost, so we don't have to, it's not like we're asking for something specific, like can I have dog insurance? We're just declaring we have a dog.
Yes, and listen, every insurance company is different, so they may have some sort of a rider to the policy that you currently have in place. So there may be some sort of extra coverage, but, again, every carrier is different. So our carrier, we don't have a rider.
Okay, and now insurance companies look at certain breeds of dog. Unfortunately, this is the truth, right?
It is. It is. Unfortunately, it's the truth. So some carriers won't cover dogs that, for whatever reason, are breeds of dogs that they think are aggressive.
Okay.
But that shouldn't stop you, because guess what? If this insurance company is not going to cover you, there are other choices out there, and so there are other carriers out there that probably will. Okay. So you just kind of do some shopping.
Okay, that's very good.
Yeah.
Okay,
you don't want to
this
cover
is
Gertrude, that's fine. We'll move on to somebody else.
Absolutely.
So it's something that we need to be aware of, and you need to add people, just like if you get a new driver in your house, I guess that's worse. That does cost money.
Yes, your rates are going to go up on that. So
that's pretty interesting. All right, how do we get in touch with you?
844-GET-LA-LAW. All of our socials are at Lawyer the Lawyer, and you can hit us up at LALawCT.com.
Yeah, and go visit you in person in Bloomfield. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for having me.
We'll actually get you.
Yeah, you're going to get me.
Oh, this is awesome.
Isn't it?
All right, thanks, Laura.
Thanks for having me.